Hey everyone, welcome to today's video. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can create a pull request in your Visual Studio Code. But before that, let's talk a bit about what is a pull request. So, when you are collaborating on a project with your teammate, you need to use Git, right? So, using that, you need to clone the project in your local machine and create a separate branch from the main branch and then work on that branch. And when you are done with your changes, you need to push these changes to the remote repository, or in our case, in GitHub. When you push the changes to the GitHub remote repository, someone from your team needs to review the changes before merging it with the main branch and making it live. And this is the process that's called pull request. So you are going to create a separate branch first. Then you need to make the changes. You are going to push the changes to the GitHub remote repository. And after that, you are going to create a pull request and request someone to view the changes that you made. So let's first see the normal process. Normally, I'll create a new branch from my master branch or main branch, and let's give it a name test branch. Hit enter. Within this new branch, I'm going to make a small change in this practice project. So let's type you are a winner. In your VS Code, now let's go to the source control. Here you can view the changes that you just made. If everything looks okay to you, you need to add this change to the staging area and create a commit message. After creating the commit message, you need to hit the commit button. This branch that we were working on, it is in the local repository. So first we need to push this new branch to the remote repository. To do that, let's hit the publish branch button. Once it's done, I'm going to go to the remote repository of this practice project. You can see in this remote repository, there is a pop-up saying the test branch, which is my branch that I just worked on, had recent pushes 3 seconds ago. Compare and pull request. So I need to hit this button and it opened a pull request portal. In this portal, you need to give a name to your pull request. Edit a message. Then you can give some description about the changes that you made. Then you, in this reviewer section, you need to mention the person from your team who is going to review the changes. The assignee is yourself or someone else. And after you are done, you need to hit the create pull request button. And as you can see, I just created a pull request. So in this method, the step was you are working on the VS Code, you are making your changes, then you are pushing the changes from your local repository to remote repository. After that, you are coming to your preferred browser, and there you are viewing the pull request and you are creating a pull request. Okay. So like here, without changing the medium, like going from VS Code to browser, we can do this process within the VS Code. So let's see how we can do that. Let's go back to VS Code. I'm going to change back to my main branch. I'm going to create another branch from my main branch. Let's give it a name, test branch 2, and hit enter. So we have created a new branch. Then let's make a small change again. You are a winner. And after that, let's review the changes. And yes, you can see the changes. And then we need to add the changes to the staging area, then create a commit message. After creating the commit message, we need to commit it. After committing the changes, we need to now publish this local branch to the remote repository. So let's hit the publish branch button and done. So far, it matches the process that I showed you earlier. But from here, it's going to be different. So after hitting the publish branch button, I'm not going to go back to my browser. For the second part, first you need to go to your extension manager, and here you have to search for GitHub pull request. After that, you need to install your GitHub pull request extension. Once it's installed, you need to connect your VS Code with the GitHub account. If you click on this user icon on the bottom, you can see that mine is already connected. In your case, if you're not already connected, there will be an option to sign into your GitHub account. After this groundwork is done, and you need to do it for one time, you are ready to create your first pull request from your Visual Studio Code. To do that, let's go back to the source control. Here, you can see that there is a small icon, and that's the icon to create the pull request. So let's click on this icon. After clicking the icon, a new module is opened, and it's showing that you're merging your test branch to the main branch. And here you can also add the title and the description. You can also add the assignee, which can be you or someone else. You can also add the reviewer who will review the code, and you can also add a label and etc. After reviewing all the setup, if you feel everything seems good, then hit the create button. So as you can see, after hitting the create button, the pull request has been successfully created. Now you can copy the web link of the pull request or the VS Code dev link of this pull request and provide it to your team members to review the code. After the team members are done reviewing and everything is okay, then you can also merge the pull request from your VS Code. Also, if there is some issue with this pull request and you are not going to push these changes to the main branch, then you also can close this pull request directly from your VS Code. So for me, this process is really helpful as it helps me not to switch too much context, and I'm doing everything within one platform. And trust me, it saves a lot of time when you were continuously working and continuously creating pull requests. This add up and in the long run saves a lot of time. I hope this video tutorial was useful for you guys and saving some of your time. If you feel like this video is helpful for you and will save you some time every day, then please give this video a like and subscribe to my channel. And I will see you soon in the next video. Till then, take care.